Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I'm going to go ahead and check out this smart ring that I received for ring purposes. It's a beautiful piece of equipment because it has a really beautiful enamel-like design on the outer side, which I think that it's really nice. And it's a really nice tracker for the sleep, the heart rate, the oxygenation, the blood. We got the instruction manual with all the important information about the ring, all the different measuring options that it has, and how to pair it up with the application, which I think that it's really great. It comes included. We got a USB-A to the charging pin of the actual ring, which I think that is nice in case if you don't have the charging case with you, you can use it, and the proper charging case is this really beautiful one, and it comes like in this clear light design and turns on the LED light, which I think that it's really beautiful. You can take out the ring and it has a really beautiful design. As I've said, it's quite nice. I ordered it in size 7, which I think that it's perfect and the right size for me. And weighing only 3 to 4 grams, it's incredibly lightweight with a polished interior that can make it actually really comfortable to wear it all day long. And beyond the style, it's a full wellness companion, as it has a sleep advanced tracking system that can analyze every stage of your sleep, like the light sleep, deep sleep, and REM, helping you understand how you rest. And it has different sport modes that can record your workout, all your steps, and different colors that you're born. So you can stay on top of every goal that you set, from your morning yoga to any kind of evening run. And with the 24/7 heart rate and blood oxygenation monitoring, you can keep your key data always within reach. And the wellness dashboard can help you visualize all the patterns and stress levels so you can make smarter decisions for your everyday. And with the MAPI68 waterproof rating, you can swim, shower, or train without a worry. And a quick 1.5-hour charge power up to 7 days of continuous use. So it's ready to move at your pace. And from a boardroom to our gym, from morning runs to a night out, this smart ring fits every part of your day. It has a minimalist design, and it's a really nice piece of technology that can help you track your everyday movement. Overall, I think that it's a beautiful piece of technology that I will really recommend. See you guys!